Hello and welcome to English Practice Beginners. My name is Anna, and I am so happy that you are here with me today. In this lesson, I will be your guide, your practice partner, and your quiet support as you build your English speaking confidence step by step. Take a slow breath with me right now. Relax your shoulders. This is your time to learn, your time to grow, and your time to become more fluent in English. In this episode, I will speak slowly and clearly so that you can understand easily. If something feels difficult, do not worry. That is completely normal. Fluency is not about being perfect. Fluency is about feeling comfortable, and comfort comes from practice. Today's lesson is very special because we are going to train your listening, your speaking, and your confidence all at the same time. This is B1 English listening practice, but it is more than just listening. It is active practice. It is fluency training. It is confidence building. And by the end of this session, you will feel stronger in your English. Before we begin, I want you to remember something important. You do not need to live in the United Kingdom. You do not need to move to London. You do not need to have British friends around you every day. You do not need to study grammar for 3 hours every night. What you truly need are small, consistent actions. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes a day. That is enough. When you repeat small actions daily, your brain begins to change. Your ears become sharper. Your mouth becomes more flexible. Your confidence grows quietly in the background. That is how fluency is built. Not in one big moment, but in many small moments repeated again and again. Now let me ask you something. Do you sometimes feel that you understand English when you read it, but when someone speaks, it feels too fast? Do you feel that words disappear before you can catch them? This is very common at the B1 level, and the solution is not to study harder. The solution is to listen more. Listening is the foundation of speaking. If you want to speak fluently and confidently, you must first train your ears. Your ears are the door to your fluency. The more you listen to natural English, the more your brain learns the rhythm, the melody, and the natural speed of the language. Today, we are going to use a very powerful method. It is called active listening and shadowing. Shadowing means you repeat what you hear almost at the same time. You do not stop to translate. You do not open a dictionary. You do not analyze grammar. You simply copy the sound. Like a shadow follows a person, your voice follows mine. This technique improves your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your speaking speed naturally. At first, it may feel strange. That is okay. Growth often feels uncomfortable at the beginning. Let's try something simple together. I will say a sentence, then you repeat after me. Ready? I am becoming more confident in English. Your turn. I listen carefully and I speak clearly. Your turn. Every day I improve a little more. Your turn. Very good. Notice how your mouth moves. Notice how your voice feels. This is how fluency begins. Small repetitions. Clear focus. No pressure. Now, let's talk about something important. Confidence. Many learners think confidence comes after fluency. They say, when I speak perfectly, then I will feel confident. But this is not true. Confidence comes before fluency. You must allow yourself to speak imperfectly. You must allow small mistakes. Mistakes are not proof that you are bad at English. Mistakes are proof that you are practicing. Every fluent speaker you admire today once made thousands of mistakes. The only difference is that they did not stop. So today, give yourself permission to be a learner. Give yourself permission to practice without fear. You are not here to impress anyone. You are here to grow. And growth is a quiet, patient process. Now I want to guide you into a listening exercise. As I speak, do not try to understand every single word. Instead, focus on the main idea. Focus on the feeling. Listen to the rhythm of my voice. English has music. It goes up and down. Some words are strong, some words are soft. This rhythm is what makes your speech sound natural. When you listen daily, your brain absorbs this rhythm automatically. Here is a short paragraph. Just listen first. Fluency is not about speaking fast. It is about speaking smoothly. When you speak smoothly, your thoughts flow naturally. You do not stop for long pauses. You do not panic when you forget a word. You simply continue. You use simple words. You express clear ideas, and you trust yourself. Now, let's shadow that together. I will break it into smaller parts. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Your turn. It is about speaking smoothly. Your turn. When you speak smoothly, your thoughts flow naturally. Your turn. Excellent. That is active listening. That is real training. In this episode, I will also share powerful fluency tips that you can use every single day in 2026 and beyond. These are not complicated techniques. They are simple habits. But simple does not mean weak. Simple daily habits are stronger than intense study once a week. Imagine brushing your teeth only once a week for 1 hour. That would not work, right? But brushing every day for 2 minutes keeps your teeth healthy. English works the same way. So today, we begin building your daily fluency routine, step by step, calmly, confidently. Take another deep breath. Feel proud of yourself for showing up. You are already improving just by listening carefully. This is just the beginning. Now let us continue this journey together. You are doing very well. You are listening carefully, and that already makes a difference. Remember, progress in English is not loud. It is quiet. It happens inside your brain, inside your listening, inside your confidence. Even if you cannot see it immediately, change is happening. Now I want to share with you 5 powerful fluency tips that will transform your English if you practice them daily. These are not difficult. They are simple, realistic, and perfect for busy people. You do not need extra time. You only need intention. Tip number 1 is daily focused listening. Not random listening, focused listening. This means choosing one short audio, maybe 5 minutes, and listening to it more than once. The first time, just listen for the general idea. The second time, notice specific words. The third time, repeat after the speaker. Repetition is not boring. Repetition is powerful. When you hear the same sentence multiple times, your brain builds strong connections. That is how memory works. That is how fluency grows. Let us practice again together. I improve my English by listening every day. Your turn. I do not need perfect understanding. Your turn. I focus on progress, not perfection. Your turn. Very good. Feel the rhythm. Feel the calm speed. English does not need to be rushed. At B1 level, clarity is more important than speed. When you speak clearly, people understand you, and understanding builds confidence. Tip number 2 is controlled speaking practice. Many learners try to speak too much too quickly. They jump into complex topics and then feel frustrated. Instead, I want you to practice controlled speaking. Choose one simple topic each day. For example, your morning routine. Describe it slowly. Use simple sentences. For example, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I make coffee. I check my phone. I leave for work. That is enough. Fluency grows from simple, repeated structures. Complexity comes later. Confidence comes first. Now, repeat after me. I speak in simple sentences. Your turn. Simple sentences make me confident. Your turn. Confidence helps me speak more. Your turn. Excellent. Notice something important. When you repeat positive sentences about your learning, you train your mindset. Your mindset is just as important as your grammar. If you tell yourself every day, English is too hard, your brain believes it. But if you tell yourself, I am improving step by step, your brain relaxes. A relaxed brain learns faster. Tip number 3 is thinking in English in small moments. Many students wait for special study time, but fluency grows in ordinary moments. When you are walking, describe what you see. The sky is grey. The street is busy. I hear a car. I feel cold. These short thoughts create a direct connection between your brain and English. Translation slowly disappears. And when translation disappears, speed increases naturally. Let us practice thinking sentences together. I am walking calmly. Your turn. I see people around me. Your turn. I feel more confident today. Your turn. Very nice. Even short thoughts are powerful. Do not underestimate small sentences. Small sentences repeated daily create strong fluency foundations. Tip number 4 is reading aloud with emotion. Many learners read quietly in their heads. That helps vocabulary, but it does not train your speaking muscles. When you read aloud, your mouth learns how English feels. Your tongue learns new movements. Your breathing becomes more natural. Choose a short paragraph and read it slowly. Then read it again with more expression. Imagine you are telling a story to a friend. Add feeling to your voice. Fluency is not only about words, it is about energy and rhythm. Let us try an expressive sentence. I am proud of my progress. Your turn. I am not afraid of mistakes anymore. Your turn. Every day I grow stronger in English. Your turn. Beautiful. Can you hear the confidence in your voice? That confidence is real. It is building right now. Tip number 5 is creating an English environment around you. You may not live in the UK, but you can bring English into your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Follow English pages online. Listen to short videos while cooking. Write a small diary before sleeping. Even 3 sentences are enough. For example, today I felt tired but productive. I finished my work. I learned new words in English. This connects your real life to the language. And when English connects to your real life, it becomes natural. Now I want to talk about something very important for B1 learners: fear of speaking. At this level, you know many words, you understand basic conversations, but sometimes you hesitate. You worry about grammar, you worry about pronunciation, you compare yourself to advanced speakers. Please stop comparing. Your journey is unique. Fluency is not a competition, it is a personal process. Imagine a child learning to walk. The child falls many times, but nobody laughs. Nobody says, "You are terrible at walking." Why? Because falling is part of learning. Speaking English is the same. Every pause, every small mistake, every correction is part of your training. Let us repeat something powerful together. Mistakes help me improve. Your turn. I learn from every conversation. Your turn. I am brave when I speak English. Your turn. Yes, you are brave. Speaking a second language requires courage, and you are here practicing. That already shows strength. Now let us do a longer listening shadowing exercise. I will say a short paragraph. First, just listen carefully. When you practice English every day, even for 10 minutes, your brain begins to adapt. New sounds feel familiar. New words feel easier. Your confidence grows quietly. You stop translating so much. You begin to respond more naturally. Step by step, your English becomes part of you. Now, let us shadow it in smaller parts. When you practice English every day, even for 10 minutes, your brain begins to adapt. Your turn. New sounds feel familiar. Your turn. New words feel easier. Your turn. Your confidence grows quietly. Your turn. Step by step, your English becomes part of you. Your turn. Wonderful work. This is how you build fluency, not with pressure, not with stress, but with calm repetition and belief. Before we finish today's session, I want you to imagine something. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You are speaking English more smoothly. You understand conversations more easily. You do not panic when someone talks to you. You smile. You respond calmly. That future version of you is not far away. That version is created by small actions you start today. So here is your simple daily plan. Listen for 10 minutes. Shadow for 5 minutes. Think in English for small moments. Read aloud for 5 minutes. Write 3 sentences before sleeping. That is all. You do not need more. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Take a slow breath again. Feel proud. You are building something important. Fluency is not just a skill, it is freedom. Freedom to express your thoughts. Freedom to connect with people. Freedom to travel, work, and grow without fear. Thank you for spending this time with English Practice Beginners. I truly believe in your ability to speak English fluently and confidently. Keep listening, keep shadowing, keep believing in yourself. Your journey is already moving forward. And remember, small daily steps create big, lifelong results. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, stay calm, stay consistent, and keep practicing your English with confidence.